Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Xbox app not working or not opening on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method on you just need to update in Microsoft Store. Go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. On left side select library. If you have updates then select the get updates option in top and this will update Xbox app and gaming service if available. Method 2, you just need to repair and reset the Xbox app. Go to search menu and type Xbox. Right click and select app settings. Scroll down and select terminate option. And select repair option. And select reset. Check if the problem is solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. And check my video description for this command and paste it and press enter. Now copy the same command and paste it and press enter. And now select the get option and install the gaming services. After installing the gaming services, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, find Xbox services. Here it is listed. Just double click on it. Startup type automatic, start the service. Select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for other Xbox services and after doing it, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to make sure you are logged into Microsoft Store and Xbox app with the same Microsoft account. If not, then log in to both application with the same account. Sixth method, you just need to update Windows. Go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates and if you have any pending updates, update it and make your operating system up to date. After following these steps, you should able to fix the Xbox app not working or not opening problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.